He's a fucking piece of shit. He's a fucking coward.
Hey, come on, James. We're your friends.
James,
I'm happy to let you vent, mate. Come and talk to me.
Guy's a fucking coward.
Over here, mate.
Are you okay? What a load of bull.
I'll talk to him, mate. Yep.
I don't want you to follow me. Do you want this? You can take it if you want it.
JT.
You feel better. If you would feel better to take it, please.
Just
JT,
first of all,
talk to
hang
us.
on. Just talk to us, James, and then
We're
we'll
your
let you
friends,
be.
JT. We're not your enemies, mate.
I'm not saying you are.
I want to look after you,
Right?
buddy.
That fucking smoker is a
Okay.
coward.
What has made you upset? Tell me what's made you upset. Well, I want to try.
I went up to him and I asked him if he includes me in that fucking pathetic speech that he gave, and he tells me that I'm being inappropriate and to go away. So obviously he doesn't give a if I'm okay.
What he said to me, James, is he doesn't want to get pulled on in public.
Because he's a fucking coward. He gives these fucking speeches and he won't fucking talk to me.
Yep.
Ring if you need anything.
He's allowed to vent.
Tell him to come out here and speak to me if he wants to, the fucking piece of shit.
Come on, mate. No need for language like that. This family.
Tell him if he's got the balls that he can come out here and fucking speak to me.
JT, there's no need for that language, mate. Come on.
No, because he's a fucking coward.